Subscribe the channel for tech related updates and press the bell icon for instant notifications.
Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the new cases which I recently bought for my Samsung Note 8. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So here I'm talking about this 360-degree Protect case. Let's quickly unbox and see what all we have got inside this packet, and then we will going to install it on the Samsung Note 8.
This cover is available at Amazon for just 310 rupees.
We have got wipes here. One is dry wipe, another is wet wipe. Let me keep it aside. Surprisingly, we have got a scratch guard also here.
All this we get just for 310 rupees.
And this, let me just remove it. So it's a two-piece case, and let's see how will it get installed on Samsung Note 8. So here is my Samsung Note 8. So this is how it looks after installing this case on Samsung Note 8. So it gets covered from all the sides, and to cover the screen they have given this scratch guard also. So if you want to have a closer look, so this is how we get cuts for all the sensors. These are the cuts for Bixby button and volume rocker buttons. And on this side we have got this cut for power button. And let's see how it looks from the bottom. On the left side we have got cut for S Pen, for speaker grill, microphone, charging port, and cut for 3.5 mm jack also. When it gets installed on the phone, it looks very sturdy, and it also does not increase the phone size. I'm really impressed with the quality of this cover. It gives decent grip so that your phone does not slip out of your hands. As this cover comes in two different pieces, but it fits on this phone perfectly fine without any loose ends at any point of time. Buttons are also working perfectly fine with this cover. The same type of cover is also available for many other phones like iPhone, Samsung S8, Samsung S8 Plus, and many others. If you like this cover and if you are interested in buying it, I will leave the links in the description box. So that's it for this video. I hope you would have liked it, and if you really did, hit the like button, share with your friends. Until now, if you have not subscribed my channel, consider subscribing it. You can also follow me on the Instagram. The link is there in the description box. Thanks for watching Tech Today.